Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, I want to talk about these multi-use screwdrivers, these all-in-one things. Now, a lot of people would say, well, those are just garbage, and you know what, they're not the best. But if you are going out to certain jobs, you don't need your full 28-piece screwdriver set or whatever it is that you have, right? It takes up a lot of space, and if you're going out to do certain jobs, an all-in-one screwdriver is really a great tool, and there's a huge variety out there. So I always have one of these in the house. My shop is separate from the house, so everybody uses this. My kids use the screwdriver, my wife uses it, and it's just all the time in use. So anyway, so this is the first one that I bought, and this is a Husky, and this Husky had like these removable bits, and they were double-ended, right? So they were really nice. You could, flip it over, and they'd stay in place well. And then at the back here, this would open, and then you could choose your bit, right? You'd take out your next bit, which was a little difficult, but not impossible. Once again, they're all double-ended, and swap your bit, put your other bit back inside, and close it. Well, over time, this took a lot of abuse, and it broke. So it won't stay in anymore, and if I turn it upside down, normally it'll fall out in use, so I can't use that anymore. So I went out and I wanted to get another screwdriver, or an all-in-one screwdriver. And there's a lot of different kinds, and I'm just gonna run over some of these. There's Pickwick, Milwaukee, Husky, DeWalt, Makita, and Anvil. So the Pickwick is kind of the reference. That's, I think, one of the older ones that's been around for a long time. A good tool. Then the Milwaukee one is ratcheting. The Husky quick load is ratcheting, very similar to the Milwaukee. The DeWalt one is $30. It has bits in the handle. Makita it was $16. It had bits in the handle, and they weren't nice like the Husky one. They were loose in the handle. And then there's an Anvil one. So I'm going to show you the Milwaukee. So the Milwaukee and the Husky quick load were very similar. So I got drywall compound, drywall dust all over it. So it's like this, and it's ratcheting, right? So you turn it one way, and it's fixed. Turn it the other way, it ratchets backwards. Turn it, the other way, and it ratchets forwards. It comes with this weird knife sharpener on it. I guess that might be useful. And then in the handle you have the bits, but they're really hard. So if you want to get that out, you need to get another screwdriver or something just to take that out, because you can't get it out with your fingers. They're really stiff. So that's good because they stay in place, but it's impossible to get them out, right? So as much as I like this, it's a very well-made tool. I can't get the bits out, and there's only 6 of them. So that kind of sucked. So I got tired of using this, and I went out and I searched out some different brands, and I like the Pickwick. Pickwick is very similar to this one here, where you have the bit. Oops, I'll just sit this down. You have the bit that sticks out. You put that in. It's magnetic, right? And then you push it in from the back, and you push it forward, and it comes out over here. You have your next bit. And you can select which bit you want. You push the other one forward. That's right. Select which bit that you want. You put that in. You push the other one out. And you could put that in like so. Very simple tool, right? Nice and easy. Great tool. So there's a few different brands like this. This one that I've picked up was an Anvil. And the Anvil was $7. So I think this is a great value. This is probably the best value that I found. And you can get these from Home Depot. If you frequent Canadian Tire like I do, you can use your gas points, like your Canadian Tire points, and pick something up. They have Pickwick there. They don't have the Anvil, but they've got the Pickwick, which is more expensive, but with your points you get it for free, right? So let's just look at some of the prices. The Pickwick, which is similar to this, was $25. The Milwaukee, which is the one that's difficult to use but is well made, is $20, and it's ratcheting. The Husky Quick Load was like this one, ratcheting. It's probably by the same manufacturer. DeWalt had the bits in the handle, Makita had the bits in the handle, and those you pull out the thing, and then you got to shake the bits out and put the right bit in, put the rest in, and then screw it on. I don't really like those, so this would be my pick. The Anvil is $7, okay? $7 for this, and it has 7 bits. So it has 2 Phillips, 2 Robertson, and then the 3 slotted. Now, I would like to have had, you know, a slightly different version where it had maybe double-ended bits, and that would have been really great. And, you know, then you could have 14, which would be ideal. Then you could have everything, right? So that is what I would love, but they don't have that. So anyway, that's my pick. So if you want something cheap that you can carry with you all the time, throw it in your toolbox, wherever you go, you've got all the screwdrivers that you basically need. That's the way. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching.